Hi, and welcome to Online English 12 with Mr. Booz. There are two entry points for class. Blackboard, which you can see here, fcps.blackboard.com. And this is called a walled garden, which means that students have availability if they have the passcodes, and this is something Fairfax County supplies to them. The second entry point is going to be Google Classroom, and again, this is something that students are going to use their fcpsschools.net account to access. You can see that each week I assign a session worksheet. There's also Google Slides for the chat session and kind of guidance for the class, all with links that they can use to access materials if they didn't understand it during chat. Each student gets a copy every week of a worksheet, and this worksheet includes several points. Every week, students are going to have two Blackboard discussion posts, one due on Friday, and then one due on Monday, where they're going to either respond to their classmates or respond to a second point. So for this week, students are going to be working with their columnists or authors and writers in society that they have chosen, such as Anna Quindlen or Toni Kornheiser, a variety of different authors that they would like to read. So they're going to have a discussion board post, and they don't need to post this here. They're going to go back and forth between this Google document and Blackboard. And you can see on the side there are these buttons. If I click on discussion board, I'm going to immediately go to the different discussion boards. So here we have last week's, which dealt with students responding to each other's writing. And then this week, they found three different columns or essays from one specific author, and they're going to answer these three questions. So if a student clicks on this hyperlink right here, boom, done, he or she is going to create a thread. And that thread is basically going to be their writing. Right here at the very top, you can see you're going to create a thread, and students click on that, and then they automatically answer the topic or the questions that they would like to answer. So boom, 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 done. I'm going to go ahead and cancel that. Those two discussion board posts are part of their session worksheet. So you can see right here, they're worth 10 points here. And then by Monday, they're going to have a second one where they have dealt with something from their classmates. In addition, every week there's going to be some sort of writing and some sort of skill. Their writing for this week is going to be to choose any number of these or any one specific one of these columnists, and they're going to respond to the ideas inherent in that. So you have 5 points for class. Discussion board post 1, discussion board post 2, some sort of skill, and some sort of writing right here. In addition to that, the fifth one is the Google Classroom chat. And everything is graded at an A, a C, or an F, and you can read the grading schema right here. Hopefully students are engaged in class, that they're citing text, asking questions to earn an A, and if they don't speak or only speak when called upon, they may earn a C, which is about 15 points. If they do not listen to the recordings or do not complete the exit ticket, they're going to earn an F for class. If I click on this exit ticket, at the end of every class, I ask students to fill out a short little piece that just says, hey, I listened to what we were talking about tonight. And I showed them a website last night that dealt with MLA Works Cited. Hopefully they were able to understand what was going on. Again, every week, students are going to go back and forth between Blackboard, the Fairfax County Public Schools 24/7 Learning, and Google Classroom. And they're going to submit this personal narrative worksheet or this session worksheet each week. Thanks, and if you have any questions, you can email me at whbooz@fcps.edu.